Information cannot be consumed or understood if it is not tactile, if it is not interactive, it is not touchable.
It used to be you had to have capital and know-how and the right people all together in the same place. And now that's all happening wherever an individual is that wants to do something.
And I think of tools, like what are tools? In my class, tools are your personal experiences. That's the only thing you can truly know and have in your pocket.
It used to be you could work on something for a couple of years and not know there was somebody like living in a parallel universe doing the exact same thing, and you would show up and say, I did this amazing thing, and they'd say, I did this amazing thing, and now that's much less likely.
Strategy tour is important because it does two things. It lets us hear the real story of how things happen. The second thing is we're going to see things that aren't out yet that the rest of the world doesn't know about.
We have identified 4 change centers around the world. Imagine seeing how the maker movement is changing big industries, not just small craft. Walk into a factory and see how people are hacking together technology to construct whole new experiences. What does it feel like to walk through an innovation center in a company that's 118 years old? What happens when you walk through a city that's gone bankrupt and talk to the change makers that are working to bring the city back to life? We bring you back to Chicago, where we invite world leaders and thought leaders to come and talk about these things, and you can see slices of this in this big city.
In a sense, Chicago will be the place where we find the deeper patterns, what we've learned.
We've been making things for thousands of years, and even though mainstream moved away from artisan or crafted objects, people have always had a real connection to making things.
I want to say it's rooted just in our humanity and our need to have a human touch or find that sense of life, in objects.
Anyone that can get their mind around, say, CAD and CAM and find the people to help them do that, suddenly that's all accessible, and it wasn't. So I think that's the sea change.
Sometimes the greatest learning can happen when it's something small scale for a small group of people. Let's iterate it.
What I'm hoping and what I believe is a great company is when you help people and weave into their lives new opportunities that they didn't have before.
This time we get to be in the space where people do their work. We get to be hands-on. We get to try out doing some things for ourselves.
This is amazing stuff. You can listen to it sitting in a seat and someone standing in front, or you can walk through that space, touch things, build a relationship that might go way beyond that one interaction. This is much bigger than a conference. This is something that you'll never, ever forget in your life.